always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart, no little by little.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Thanks so much for stopping in. My name is Tyra and let's go ahead and get started with the video today. So right now you see me cleaning the dining room table off because we are going to do a dining room table refresh with a new flower arrangement that we have. Some yellow roses that I want to share with you guys, and they are just so beautiful. The color is just really vibrant. We're also going to be doing a shelf reset in the office and replacing a chair in there just to give a new look and an overview. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll check back in with you soon. Thanks.
I'd rather jump and risk the fall. I see no limits in the sky, no little by little here. No, got stuck on working on myself. Thought I was wrong and needed help, but I'm just different, something else. No little by little.
So guys, I wanted to ask you, I've been using this sugar and vinegar mixture in my flowers lately, and it seems like it has them lasting up to 2 to 3 days longer and without them wilting and browning. And so I was wondering if you guys might have tried this also. If you have, leave it down in the comments and let's talk about what you think about it. I really think it works. I don't remember where I got it from. I saw it somewhere on YouTube, but I just decided to try it, and it's really been working well. So like I said, drop it down in the comments if you have or if you haven't, and tell me if you will try it maybe in the future.
Let me fly, let me fly, let me fly into the sky. Let me be all that I can be. Let me fly.
Okay, y'all. Now look, I was telling you guys about how pretty these roses are. Look at this yellow color on these roses. Like, it was so nice and relaxing. The smell, the aroma that these are giving off, and then just the vibrant color was so stimulating to the eye. Like, really beautiful roses. And none of them were wilted or browning. Sometimes you can get roses from the grocery store or whatever, and they're not in the best condition by the time you get them home, but these are just amazing. I just really love putting these flowers together in this beautiful vase to set the tone for what I want the home to feel like. Just amazing color. Okay guys, so I'm just wrapping up the dining room refresh and just cleaning up some of the debris that got on the table, and we're gonna get ready to straighten the chairs up a little bit before we get out of there. And just look at that, it's just so pretty to me. I just love it. I do. It just makes me happy. I know it's plain and it's simplistic, but I just kind of like the cleanness of that. And so I'm going to stop and look at it, and then I'm going to cut the light out, and we're going to head into the office. And so we're going to start clearing everything off of this shelf, and we're going to get it clean and start the refresh for it. Okay, y'all, I have to come back to let y'all know. My daughter is in there. She's recording for me, asking me all these questions about stuff in the office. And what am I planning on doing? And I don't know what I'm planning on doing. All I know is that I'm going to refresh it, I'm going to clean it, and I'm going to start reorganizing. Some of the items will be new, some of the items will be what they were previously. So if you see me talking or with a crazy stare on my face, I'm talking to her because she's annoying me. So if you guys remember when we first came on for the new video, those flowers were artificial flowers that I actually had on the dining room table. And what I did was just took a few stems from out of there to bring them into the office, give them new life. And I think they look really good against the black vase. So I'm trying to incorporate that black a little bit into the office and to see if I like that feel for that room or not. Okay, so those two boxes that I grabbed, those were in the office previously, just kind of stacked on top of a bigger decorative box. And so all those boxes are old perfume boxes or facial creams or something that I ordered, and I just like decorative boxes and I kept them. The one, the bigger box on the bottom is actually a light gold color, but for some reason it's coming off like peach, and it has like a white trim on there. So it's not peach, it's actually gold, but on camera it's showing up like a peach color. So y'all, I have got to tell y'all this. My daughter, she didn't really care for the boxes when I was picking them up. And she was like, "You putting those boxes up there?" And I was like, "Yeah." And so as I was just putting the clock back on the shelf, she was like, "Okay, those boxes are kind of looking nice." And I'm like, yeah, I know." And she's like, "Mom." And I'm like, "Yeah, I know." So I just wanted to tell you guys that. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and remove this chair from the area and replace it with a different chair and pillow. And so we're going to go ahead and start closing out the video. I really enjoyed you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I can't wait to see you back here. We're going to be doing more upgrades to the house. These are just small ones to get us started, but I'm just so grateful for you guys for stopping in. And like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great rest of your week, and we will see you guys next time. Remember to create a beautiful life and live well. Talk to you soon.